Hello, hello. Today we're going to look at the slope of a line. So we're just going to talk about what does it mean to have a slope. Okay, so the slope is the change in the y over the change in the x. It's a fraction. Sometimes we'll refer to it as the rise over the run. Now, that little triangle, is actually a Greek letter called delta. So this symbol, the little triangle, means change. Okay, so it's the change in the y over the change in the x. Okay, so the slope is actually a measure of how steep a line is and in which direction it's going. So whether it's pointing up from left to right or if it's pointing down from left to right. So if the line like this one, the blue line, is going up, then this has a positive slope. So for example, it goes up 1 over 1. This one has a positive slope of 1. Now, if the line is pointing downward from left to right, then we would say that it has a negative slope. So this example here goes down 1 to the right 6. So this one has a slope of negative 1 over 6. Okay, so to find the actual, or to calculate the slope, it's just like those previous examples. There's two steps. Okay, so there's two things that you want to do here, and you have to be super careful that you do change in y over change in x. So go ahead and draw this example. Okay, and you can choose any 2 points that you want on the line, as long as they are whole number points on the line. Don't choose decimals. And between 2 points, you want to form your rise over your run. So your change in your y over your change in your x, the slope triangle. So this one goes up and to the right, and I chose those 2 points. Doesn't matter what 2 points you choose. And then the second step is to determine what is your change in y and change in x, and you're going to write this as a slope ratio. So our change in our y is 2, and the change in the x is 3. So my slope ratio would be 2 over 3. Now, I want you to make a little note that if you ever have a horizontal line, horizontal lines have a slope of 0. They're flat. So they don't rise at all. They don't go up or down. They just go to the left and to the right. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.